Madagascar, an island nation off the coast of Africa, teeming with life found nowhere else on Earth. Join us now as we journey into the heart of Madagascar, venturing into the shadowed embrace of the rainforest to uncover the secrets of this extraordinary creature. For generations, the people of Madagascar have shared whispered tales of a strange and wonderful creature that haunts the night. The eerie, this nocturnal lemur, with its bizarre appearance and unusual habits, has long been associated with superstition and folklore. The eerie is a creature of extremes. Its large, sensitive ears can detect the faintest sounds of insect larvae tunneling beneath the bark of trees. Its powerful incisors, which grow continuously throughout its life, are capable of gnawing through the toughest wood. The IIEIIIA occupies a unique ecological niche, filling a role that no other animal can. The aye is a master of disguise, its dark fur blending seamlessly with the shadows of the rainforest. Under the cloak of darkness, it emerges from its daytime slumber, ready to face the challenges of the night. It is a creature of the shadows, relying on its keen senses and remarkable adaptations to hunt for food and evade predators. The eye's most striking feature is undoubtedly its hands. Unlike those of any other primate, the eye's hands are a marvel of adaptation, each finger uniquely designed for a specific purpose. But it is the middle finger that truly sets the eye apart. The eye is a specialized feeder, relying on its unique adaptations to exploit a particular food source, insect larvae. The eye locates its prey by tapping on trees with its long middle finger. This specialized feeding strategy requires a high degree of skill and coordination, and it is a testament to the eye's remarkable adaptations. Madagascar, the fourth largest island in the world, stands as a testament to the power of isolation. Separated from mainland Africa for millions of years, it has evolved a unique ecosystem teeming with life found nowhere else on Earth. It is within these lost rainforests, particularly those along the eastern and northwestern coasts, that the elusive eye makes its home. The rainforest is a world of secrets, a place where life teems in every nook and cranny, hidden from the casual observer. For the aye, this world of shadows and whispers is home. As darkness descends, the aye emerges from its slumber, ready to begin its nightly foraging expeditions. The rainforest comes alive at night, a symphony of sounds and smells that paint a vivid picture for those who know how to listen. The aye, a creature of the night, is perfectly adapted to navigate this sensory landscape. Its large, luminous eyes, capable of gathering even the faintest glimmers of light, are its windows to this hidden world. As darkness descends upon the Madagascar rainforest, a symphony of sounds erupts. The air buzzes with the chirping of insects, the croaking of frogs, and the eerie calls of nocturnal birds. But amidst this cacophony, the aye is listening for a different kind of music. The subtle sounds of insect larvae tunneling beneath the bark of trees. The Aye-Aye's foraging technique is as unique as its appearance. Once it has identified a promising tree, the Aye-Aye will use its long, bony middle finger to tap on the trunk, listening intently to the resulting sounds. This tapping, which can be surprisingly loud, creates a kind of echolocation, allowing the Aye-Aye to map out the hollows and cavities within the wood. Having located its prey, the Aye-Aye faces the challenge of extracting it from its wooden fortress. This is where the Aye-Aye's powerful incisors come into play. Carefully, the Aye-Aye will insert its long, thin middle finger into the hole, its sensitive tip probing for the hidden larva. The Aye-Aye, with its unusual appearance and specialized feeding habits, might seem like a strange and isolated creature, but it plays a vital role in the delicate balance of the Madagascar rainforest ecosystem. As a specialized insectivore, the Aye-Aye helps to control populations of wood-boring insects. These insects, while often unseen, can cause significant damage to trees if left unchecked. By preying on these insects, the Aye-Aye helps to maintain the health and diversity of the forest. In a way, the Aye-Aye acts as a kind of forest doctor, its unusual tools and techniques employed in the service of the ecosystem. Furthermore, the Aye-Aye's foraging activities can also benefit other species. The holes that the Aye-Aye creates in trees, while intended for extracting insect larvae, can also provide shelter for other creatures, such as bats, birds, and reptiles. In this way, the Aye-Aye's presence has a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem, its actions indirectly supporting a web of life far beyond its own immediate needs. The Aye-Aye is a reminder that even the most unusual and seemingly insignificant creatures can play a crucial role in the health and diversity of our planet. As the first rays of dawn pierce the rainforest canopy, the Aye-Aye retreats to the shadows. The hustle and bustle of the day are not for this creature of the night. The Aye-Aye is a nocturnal primate, most active during the darkest hours when its prey is abundant and the risk of predation is lower. This nocturnal lifestyle is a key to its survival, allowing the Aye-Aye to exploit a niche that few other animals can. During the day, the Aye-Aye seeks refuge in the hollows of trees, often high above the forest floor. These hollows, created by decaying wood or abandoned woodpecker nests, provide a safe and secluded haven from the heat of the day and the prying eyes of predators. Here, the Aye-Aye curls up in its nest, a carefully constructed platform of leaves, twigs, and fur, and drifts off to sleep. The Aye-Aye's nest is more than just a place to sleep. It is a sanctuary, a place of peace and security in a world full of dangers. The Aye-Aye is a solitary creature, and its nest is its only true home, a place where it can relax its guard and succumb to the rhythm of the forest. As the sun begins its descent and the forest floor grows dark, the Aye-Aye will stir from its slumber, ready to face the challenges and rewards of another night in the Madagascar rainforest. The Aye-Aye is a solitary creature, preferring to spend its nights foraging alone in the vast expanse of the rainforest. Encounters with others of their kind are infrequent and often fleeting, marked by a complex system of vocalizations and scent marking. While they may cross paths while foraging, these encounters are rarely prolonged, and territorial disputes are typically resolved with displays of aggression rather than physical confrontations. Despite their solitary nature, ayes do engage in a rudimentary form of social interaction. Females, in particular, have been observed to maintain overlapping home ranges, and mothers will often share their nests with their offspring for the first few years of their lives. These early interactions are crucial for the development of young ayes, allowing them to learn essential survival skills from their mothers. Communication between ayes is a subtle affair, a tapestry of chirps, grunts, and scent marks woven into the fabric of the rainforest night. These vocalizations, often barely audible to the human ear, convey a range of information, from warnings of danger to the location of food sources. Scent marking, achieved through a combination of urine and feces deposited at strategic locations throughout their territories, serves to reinforce territorial boundaries and advertise their presence to potential mates. While the aye's social life may seem limited compared to other primates, it is perfectly adapted to its solitary lifestyle and the challenges of surviving in the Madagascar rainforest. High above the forest floor, in the safety of a tree hollow, the aye's life begins. Breeding season occurs during the wetter months, from October to February. After 5 to 6 months, a single offspring is born, eyes closed, covered in sparse fur. The newborn is dependent on its mother for warmth, nourishment, and protection. The mother nurses her offspring, providing all necessary nutrients. The young aye clings to its mother, exploring the nest briefly. As it grows, it explores more boldly under its mother's watchful eye. The mother teaches foraging, tapping on trees, and extracting insect larvae. This apprenticeship is crucial for survival. It learns essential skills to thrive in the Madagascar rainforest. The mother-offspring bond ensures survival and gene passage to the next generation. The aye, once shrouded in superstition and feared by the local people, now faces a far more formidable threat: habitat loss. As the human population of Madagascar continues to grow, so too does the demand for land and resources. Vast tracts of rainforest, once the aye's undisputed domain, are being cleared for agriculture, logging, and mining. This relentless deforestation is fragmenting the aye's habitat, isolating populations, and making it increasingly difficult for them to find food, shelter, and mates. As their forest home shrinks, aye's are forced into closer contact with humans, often leading to conflict and persecution. The aye's specialized diet and nocturnal habits make it particularly vulnerable to these changes. As their preferred food sources become scarce, aye's may be forced to raid crops, bringing them into direct conflict with farmers. This often leads to aye's being killed or captured, further diminishing their already fragile population. The situation is dire, but not without hope. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect the remaining rainforest habitat and educate local communities about the importance of aye conservation. These efforts are crucial if we are to ensure the survival of this unique and fascinating creature. The future of the aye, like that of so many other endangered species, rests in our hands. It is our responsibility to ensure that this creature of the night, with its enigmatic adaptations and vital role in the Madagascar ecosystem, does not vanish from the face of the earth. Protecting the aye requires a multifaceted approach. First and foremost, we must address the root cause of its decline: habitat loss. This means supporting sustainable land management practices, promoting reforestation efforts, and establishing protected areas where eyes and other wildlife can thrive. Education is also paramount. By teaching local communities about the IAI's unique ecological role and the threats it faces, we can foster a sense of stewardship and encourage people to become guardians of their natural heritage. Research plays a crucial role in informing conservation efforts. By studying the IAI's behavior, ecology, and genetics, scientists can develop more effective strategies for protecting them. This knowledge can help us to identify critical habitat areas, understand the impact of human activities, and develop captive breeding programs as a last resort. The IA, with its bizarre appearance and unusual habits, is a powerful symbol of the biodiversity that makes Madagascar so special. By working together, we can ensure that this creature of the night continues to haunt the rainforests of Madagascar for generations to come. The IEI, with its otherworldly appearance and peculiar habits, is a creature that seems to defy easy categorization. Is it a harbinger of misfortune, as some Malagasy traditions suggest, or is it a symbol of the extraordinary diversity of life on Earth, a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution? The answer, perhaps, lies somewhere in between. The II, like all creatures great and small, occupies a vital place in the intricate tapestry of life, its fate inextricably linked to the health and balance of its forest home. As we've journeyed deep into the II's world, we've witnessed its remarkable adaptations firsthand. The II's large, luminous eyes, its bat-like ears, its nimble fingers, all speak to a creature uniquely equipped to thrive in the challenging environment of the Madagascar rainforest. Yet, these adaptations, honed over millennia of evolution, are no match for the relentless pace of human encroachment. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and the ever-present threat of persecution cast a long shadow over the IEI's future. The IEI's plight serves as a stark reminder that the fate of the natural world is inextricably linked to our own. The choices we make today about how we manage our resources, how we interact with the environment, how we value and protect the diversity of life will determine not only the II's future, but the future of countless other species, and indeed the future of our planet. The challenge before us is clear: to forge a future where both people and nature thrive. We are not separate from nature, but an integral part of it. Protecting the IEI and its forest home is an investment in our collective future. By protecting the IEI, we safeguard the intricate web of life that sustains us all. The task may seem daunting, but there is reason for hope. Communities are coming together to protect their natural heritage. Conservation organizations are raising awareness and implementing solutions. Scientists are making discoveries that inform conservation efforts. A new generation is growing up with a deep appreciation for biodiversity. The IEI stands as a powerful symbol of the wonders of the natural world. Let us rise to the challenge of protecting this remarkable creature and secure a brighter future for all. Their survival is our shared responsibility. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get notified when the next video is available. Also, click the next video on the right or the left to watch other interesting animals. Also, check the description below for links to nice products